Are you feeling lost when it comes to transitioning to GA4? The best way to get to know your new GA4 property is to explore it. In this video, we'll take a quick look through the main navigation tabs in GA4. You'll notice there are far fewer navigation tabs in GA4 than in Universal Analytics. The Home tab contains cards where you can quickly review basic information about users, conversions, and other metrics. There's also a convenient carousel of links to recently accessed screens. The Reports tab is where you can access built-in reports to see and sort information about how the site acquires traffic and where the traffic came from, engagement metrics including events and conversions, the pages people land on and how they interact with those pages, and more. This is also where the real-time screen lives, which details the activity on your website for the past 30 minutes. If you have an e-commerce website, e-com data will appear in the monetization section. The demographics section offers information about users' location, gender, interests, age groups, languages, etc. And the tech overview shows information about device types, browsers, and even screen resolution and app use if you have data streams set up for an app. More on that in a moment. If you have administrator access to the GA4 property, you have the option to make custom reports and report collections by clicking on the Library tab. The Explore screen is where you can build custom reports and comparisons tailored to your organization's reporting needs. You can choose an exploration template from the template gallery, or you can start from scratch. We'll have more on explorations in another video. The Advertising tab focuses on conversion data and conversion paths. We'll go into more detail about the Advertising tab in another video. So what's in the admin area in GA4? It's pretty similar to Universal Analytics, but there are a few items you should definitely become familiar with. Under Account Access Management, you can control who has what level of access to the account. All filters is where you can add filters like IP address exclusion filters that remove your organization's internal website activity from your data. And under Property, Data Streams. Data Streams is where you can set up, manage, and view the property's data streams. At this point, you might be wondering, what's a data stream? That's something new with GA4. It's a flow of information from a website or a mobile app. One of the advantages of GA4 over Universal Analytics is its ability to report on mobile app traffic alongside website traffic. If you have mobile apps, you'll need to configure those data streams here along with your website data stream. The Event screen is where you can set up event settings and mark important events as conversions. How do you know whether an event should be a conversion? Here's a hint. All the goals in your Universal Analytics property should be conversions in GA4. You might think of conversions as leads. Think clicks to call, clicks to email, form submissions, events like that. Custom Definitions is where you'll add custom metrics and dimensions based on your custom events. Under Data Settings and Data Retention, one of the first things we do when setting up a new GA4 property is adjust the event data retention setting to 14 months. The default setting is 2 months, which is not ideal. At the bottom of the Property section, you can manage your integrations with tools such as Google Ads. We hope this overview has helped you gain a better understanding of how your GA4 property is organized.